All right, breaking news coming in. The Delhi BJP's Tiranga Yatra from Kartavya Path will begin shortly. Those visuals are from the national capital, the heart of New Delhi, where this is taking place. Remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party is taking out Tiranga Yatras, a victory march across the country. This one coming in from the national capital. In a short while from now, they will begin marching. This is the Kartavya Path. This, even as the Prime Minister met with our brave hearts, expressing our gratitude as well as pride for our armed forces. In the morning, that happened. And of course, now in the evening, we are seeing the BJP members of the Delhi unit gathering at Kartavya Path because they are going to be taking out a Tiranga Yatra. Remember, the entire country has come together, has been united in the fight against terrorism. And this is one such example of what the Bharatiya Janata Party is doing, taking forward the sentiments of the people as far as the Tiranga Yatra and pride in the tricolor today is concerned. My colleague Isha is joining us at the moment, getting us more on this. Isha, Kartavya Path is going to be seeing a Tiranga Yatra starting soon. What more do you have? Of course, the sentiment is the same, that is of pride and gratitude at the moment across the country.
Right, Shreya, we're reporting from a historic location, which is Kartavya Path, and we'll cut right to the visuals to show you here the enthusiasm of the people. Requesting my camera person to also show around here the visuals. This is the spot where the Yatra, the Shobha Yatra is starting from. In fact, BJP leaders, top BJP leaders have started to arrive here. Manjinder Singh Sirsai is here, and the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva is also here, and they will be marching towards the war memorial. And you can see here that there were a lot of rains as well, but that still has not deterred the spirits of the supporters who have gathered here. You can see here tricolors flaring high in the sky, and a lot of gratitude for the forces. In fact, we can also zoom in to one of the posters that are here, and these posters are also reading that they are eternally grateful for what the forces have done. And you can see here that there is a lot of excitement here. You can also see that there are several fragments. In fact, towards the other side, you can see small children have arrived here. This is a group of school children, Shreya, who have come here, who will also be participating in the Shobha Yatra. So definitely, this is an amalgamation of a lot of people from all walks of life who have come together to support the forces and be grateful at the time of war, and the fact that our forces have managed to defend everything that the Pakistani side tried. So you can see here there are a lot of excitement. In fact, Basuri Swaraj, as we speak, is also arriving here. She will also be participating in the Shobha Yatra. In fact, we're also expecting the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta to also arrive here shortly. And ma'am, we're on live. Will you be able to say something here? You are here for the Shobha Yatra. We're seeing a lot of people here. What is the sentiment?
Bharat Mata ki Jai. And that is the sentiment, a sentiment of gratitude. हमारे जो वीर जवान, हमारे जो सैन्य बल है, जिन्होंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को बखूबी निभाया है, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का भी धन्यवाद, सैन्य बल का भी धन्यवाद, और बस ये कहूंगी, भारत माता की जय.
Right, Shreya, so you heard, this is the sentiment
yes,
that is
Isha.
coming. Basuri Swaraj was here, joined by a lot of supporters, all of them chanting Bharat Mata Ki. Request my camera person to also show you the visuals to the other side. That is where Rekha Gupta will be arriving.
All right,
from.
Isha, I'll come back to you. I'm also joined by our colleague Hiten. He's in Ahmedabad, in fact, getting us this very Tiranga Yatra, which is also going to be happening in Ahmedabad. Hiten, क्या कुछ हो रहा है वहां पर? तिरंगा यात्रा निकाल रही है भारतीय जनता पार्टी?
बिल्कुल, देखिए, अहमदाबाद के वाडज में मैं मौजूद हूँ. अगर यहाँ पर आप तस्वीरें देखेंगे तो बड़ी संख्या में लोग जो है इस तिरंगा यात्रा में जुड़ने के लिए, आप यहाँ पर एक खास तस्वीर देखिए कि यहाँ पर कुछ लोग जो है वो सेना के यूनिफॉर्म में जो है आए हुए, जो सीआरपीएफ हो, बीएसएफ हो, उसकी यूनिफॉर्म में आए. बड़ी संख्या में महिलाएं भी अपने हाथों में तिरंगा लेकर पहुंची है. जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के जरिए पाकिस्तान को जिस तरीके से पाकिस्तान पर जिस तरीके से हमला किया गया, पहलगाम अटैक का बदला लिया गया, उसके बाद ये तस्वीर आप देखेंगे कि करीब 2 किलोमीटर तक दूर दूर तक ये सिर्फ लोगों के हाथों में झंडा है, तिरंगा है और 5 बजे ये यात्रा जो है शुरू होगी और यहाँ से शाहीबाग तक जाएगी। करीब 3 किलोमीटर का ये रूट है और यहाँ पर बड़ी संख्या में लोग जुटे। हम उन्हीं से बात करते हैं कि क्या कुछ कहने के लिए आप लोग सड़कों पर उतरे हुए हैं। क्या कुछ कहने के लिए सड़कों पर उतरे तिरंगा लेकर?
हमारे जवानों ने जो काम किया है उसके लिए प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं हम लोग, उस हिसाब से आए हैं।
भारत माता की जय के जयकारे के साथ ही यहाँ पर लोग जो है सड़कों पर उतरे। जिस तरह से भारतीय सेना ने, जवानों ने, दिखे महिलाएं भी है, कुछ हम उन्हीं से बात करते कि आखिरकार बड़ी संख्या में जो महिलाएं निकली है सड़कों पर। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर आप ही लोगों के लिए नाम रखा गया था, क्या कहेंगे? आप सड़कों पर उतरे सब, क्या मैसेज देंगे, क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
बस पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद, वंदे मातरम।
तो ये तस्वीर है, 5 बजे यात्रा शुरू होगी।
जी हितेन धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। माय कॉलीग, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हितेन getting us more of what's been happening in Ahmedabad as we speak. In a short while from now, Tiranga Yatra is going to be taken out in Ahmedabad, in the national capital, as well in New Delhi. It's going to be starting with BJP's Delhi leaders coming to the fore, gathering together and taking a pride march on the success of Operation Sindoor. Remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party has planned these Tiranga Yatras across 11 days starting today. All across the country, we're going to be seeing a sea of tricolor being held with pride as well as gratitude for our armed forces. We'll keep getting you the latest on that, but right now we're slipping into a short break. News and updates will continue on the other side. Stay tuned.